Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we shall discuss as to what is an income tax return and when it is mandatory to file these returns. What are the due dates of the returns and what is the limit beyond which income tax return needs to be filed. So let's start with what is an ITR. See, Income Tax Act is a direct act that levies taxes on income earned in a particular year. The income tax return is a form in which the taxpayer would give the details of the income that he has earned and taxes that is required to be paid on the income for that particular year. Now, why do we file income tax returns? Suppose we need to claim refund from the income tax department for deduction of higher TDS if income is earned or invested in foreign assets during the financial year, or if we wish to apply for a visa or loan in a bank, or if the taxpayer is a company or a firm by constitution, whether he has taxable income or not, he needs to file the income tax returns. In case of any businessman or any person who is a professional, or if you have any capital gains or losses, and if you want to carry forward the losses to the next year, then it becomes mandatory for one to file the income tax returns. Generally, the due dates of filing the income tax returns in case of individuals is 31st of July, and in case of companies and those individuals for whom tax audit is required is 30th of September. Now, what is the threshold limit beyond which the returns have to be filed? See, if the gross total income is more than the basic exemption limit, then it is mandatory to file the ITR. Now, what is a basic exemption limit? Your annual basic exemption limit for individuals below 60 years is 2.5 lakhs. More than 60 and less than 80 years, the basic annual exemption limit is 3 lakhs. And those individuals whose age is above 80 years, that basic exemption limit is 5 lakhs. In the following cases, it is mandatory to file the income tax return, irrespective of the income being more than the basic exemption limit or less than that. One is in case where the deposits in current account is more than 1 crores. If the deposit in SB account of a person is more than 50 lakhs, if the person has spent more than 2 lakhs on foreign travel for self or any other person, if the EB paid is more than 1 lakh, EB here is electricity bill paid is more than 1 lakh, if the TDS or TCS deduction is in excess of 25,000 rupees in the previous year. Previous year is the year in which the income is earned. If you are a businessman and your sales turnover is more than 60 lakhs, for professionals where gross receipts is more than 10 lakhs during the previous year. In all these cases, it is mandatory for one to file the income tax return. Now let's look at the heads of income under the Income Tax Act. Basically, there are 5 heads of income. Income from salaries, income from house property, income from business or profession, income from capital gains, and income from other sources. This particular video has been uploaded at the request. In my next video, we shall see what are the types of income tax returns and who has to file which return. Do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.